Hello there. If you are wondering, can you blog with Kajabi, then stay tuned because you're in for a treat today. Hi, I'm Terry from terrymlee.com. I am a Kajabi owner and I'm here to talk about Kajabi blogging as well as their special deal that's going on for the month of August. They are having a 3 months for $99 sale, which is a savings of $597. That's almost $600. That's a big deal. And so, in celebration of that, I'm going over what Kajabi can do in your business for you and giving a tip every day. So, here we are today going to discuss about Kajabi blogging. And the answer is yes, of course you can do blogging with Kajabi. So, let me show you really quick what that looks like. Let me add this to my screen. So here we are in the back end of Kajabi, and over here on our left navigation is the ability to do blogs. Now you can schedule your blogs, you can create your content in advance and have it sit there and get released when you want, so that you can keep providing content to your audience. So there's not much that I put in here. This is just a dummy text in here. So it's not going to show a lot in here, but you can do not only text content, you could have video and audio. Now, for you YouTubers, or maybe you have video on other platforms, you can embed that down here. In fact, that's exactly what I do. I take my YouTube videos and I will embed them. So I'll click this little button right here that's like source code. And so I know this gets a little geeky, but if you take your embed code from whatever platform you want, you can add it in here. And so then you're increasing your viewership and using your blog to do that, so that you can, kill two birds with one stone. And so a little bit further down, you can add in your SEO, your search engine optimization info. You can have your link here, whatever your title is, description. And one thing I do want to point out is that your image for SEO does not need to match the image that you would have on your blog. You might say, well, why would you want to do that? Well, you may have certain branding and colors that you want on your website and for it to look nice and pretty and consistent. But what you want to show in SEO is going to be maybe more meaningful, that's going to help your SEO, obviously, for that particular blog post. And you can add tags and things of that for organization on your blog too. So that's really quick for the blogging information. If you're watching this on my YouTube channel, please take a moment to subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. Give me some feedback if these videos are helpful to you. Don't forget to hit the notification button so that you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. And I would love to hear back. Are you blogging for your audience, and how could you see this helping you? Check out the show notes for the links for grabbing the deal before the end of August hits, and I will see you. Oh, wait, I almost forgot. It's one thing about kind of doing these things live. With the bonus, you get me live to help you fast track getting through Kajabi and getting everything set up, and you have the ability to get some questions answered and ask me anything, as well as I walk you through just sort of the minimum amount that you need to get going to start selling your products, your courses, or membership site. So, anyway, I will see you in the next video.